Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Project resource sheets for accurate costing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Project on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the View tab in the ribbon. Look for the Resource Views group. Select Resource Sheet from the options available. This will display the resource sheet view. Now, add resources to your project. Click on the empty cell under the resource name column. Type in the name of your resource. Move to the Type column and select the type of resource from the drop-down. You can choose between work, material, and cost resources. Next, set the resource's maximum units in the Max Units column. Enter the cost of the resource in the STD Rate column. If applicable, also fill in the overtime rate column. You can set up a cost for materials in the cost column. To add additional details, right-click on the resource name and select Resource Information. In the Resource Information dialog box, check the Costs tab to add additional cost rates, if needed. After entering all necessary details, click OK to save your changes. To check resource allocation and costs, go back to the View tab. Select Task Usage or Resource Usage for detailed insights. Ensure that all resources are accurately assigned to tasks. Evaluate the project's overall costs by navigating to the Project tab. Select Project Information to view summary data. Review the resource cost to ensure everything is correct. Make adjustments as needed to the duration, rates, or allocations. Regularly update the resource sheet as project details change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.